Hello everyone, I am Shantakumari. Today we are going to see about products of honey. Honeybees are a huge economic importance, vital for the pollination of many fruit, vegetables and seed crops. The bee, feared for its nasty stink, comes as an unwelcome visitor in our garden and homes. Beekeeping is the maintenance of honeybee colonies by humans commonly in hives. Variety of different products like honey, bee wax, pollen, royal jelly, propolis, bee venom, and honey. Flour is a mixture of sugars and other minor components collected by bees and concentrated into honey. Honeybees are created a delicious viscous substance called propolis. And honey is a natural food made by the bee with the nectar, pollen, and the other substances. It is considered nature's most completely nourishing food as it contains nearly all nutrients required by humans. Then uses of honey. Honey is valuable as a food, a medicine, a cash crop for both local and international markets and a component of various cultural traditions. It is a valuable carbohydrate source that includes trace elements and gives nutritional variety to low diets during times of food scarcity. Honey is increasingly being used in modern medicine for a number of therapies. Other uses include it cures colon damage prevention, parasite removal, remedy for burns, cancer, and heart disease prevent. Chemical composition, it has water, glucose, fructose, sucrose, other sugar, total acids, ash, nitrogen, vitamins, enzymes, proteins, and 18 free amino acids. Nutritional value. It is considered to be the drug of immortality. It is full of energy, and a teaspoon of honey liberates 100 calories. It enhances appetite and relieving dryness of mouth and body. Natural sugar important for preventing fatigue during exercise. It improves metabolism and more effective for digestion. Minerals found in honey and in blood circulation. Then medicinal values. It has antibacterial property, can cure cuts, burns and sore throat. It has antibiotic property, protects skin and eyes. It is used as a medicine for bedwetting children, purified the blood. It promotes growth of healthy tissues to treat intestinal disorders and cures jaundice. Second one, bee wax. It is a bee sweat. Bee wax is a substance used by bees to construct their nest. Young honeybees make it, which releases it as a liquid from specific wax glands. When worker bees are 14 to 18 days old, they begin to produce wax. When wax comes into touch with air, it solidifies and creates scales, which looks as tiny wax flakes on the bee's underside. 1 kilogram of wax is made up of approximately 1 million wax scales. Uses of bee wax. Oil obtained from bee wax is used to cure wounds. It treats lupus, prepared ointments and lotion. In making models for medicinal purpose. Rich in vitamin A, fill pores in oats, making drawing crayons. Key ingredient for making shoe polish, sealing wax, glue oil, paint, binding oil, candles, etc. Chemical composition. It has fatty acids, free acids, hydrocarbons, monoesters, diesters, triesters, hydroxymonoesters, free alcohols, vitamin A, and hydroxypolyesters. And bee venom. Venom is a protein toxin secreted by sting venom called epitoxin, produced by two glands, poison gland and alkaline gland. Sweet with little bitter in taste. The sting of a worker bee is connected to a poison sac that stores the venom. The venom sac also stores a little quality of venom. When a bee is 2 weeks old, her poison sac has the most venom. It has histamine, apamine, echinase, hydrochloric acid. Then uses of bee venom. Epitherapy, which involves causing bees to sting the patient, can be used to treat rheumatism. Rheumatism can be treated with venom administered subcutaneously. It stimulates cardiac muscle contraction and lowers blood pressure. As anti-allergic allergens, antihistamine, creams or injections are utilized. To remove scar tissue, it used to make ointments. Then chemical composition. It contains bioactive compounds like histine, meltin, dopamine, formic acid and enzymes. Then properties, it has a transparent, anticoagulant, soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol and ammonium sulfate. Then propolis. Propolis gathered by bees from resinous exudates of tree. In the bee colony, propolis is used for sticking frames, sealing cracks and surfaces, but it is a contaminant of comb wax. Propolis is obtained by scraping it from the frames. It contains resins and balsams 55%, ethanol and scented oils 10%, and pollen 5%. Also called bee glue, resinous mixture produced by bees by mixing saliva and bee wax with exudate gathered from tree buds and sap flows. Uses of propolis. Used in preparing ointments for treating cuts, wounds, and abscesses in cattle. Mixed with Vaseline to smoothen burns. When used in toothpaste, it prevents mouth and gum disorders such as gum recession. Taking propolis daily helps in the prevention of constipation. In a small clinical study, propolis mixed with mulberry leaf decreased blood sugar level in patients with type of 2 diabetes. Chemical composition. Complex resinous mixture contains approximately 50% of balsam, 30% of wax, essential and aromatic oil of 10%, and pollen 5%. Royal jelly. Royal jelly is secreted by gland of nurse bees of the age of 6 to 12 days when the glands are fully active. It is very nutritious food and is fed to the young worker larvae and the queen larvae and adult. Royal jelly is milky or light pale in color. It contains proteins 15 to 18%. This is a blend of secretion from the salivary glands of the worker bee and contains a high concentration of vitamins B5 and B6. Royal jelly contains many insect growth hormones and is valued as a medicine, tonic, or aphrodisiac by people in some parts of the world. Uses of royal jelly. It is responsible for queen determination, very nutritious food for human beings, widely used in cosmetics and health products. Royal jelly has many different components including proteins, sugars, fats, minerals, and vitamins. A special rejuvenating substance that promotes tissue growth. Chemical composition. It has water, protein, simple sugars, fatty acids, bacterial and antibiotic components, vitamin C, trace minerals, 10-hydroxy-2-decanoic acid, 3.5%. Then pea pollen. It is collected by pollen trap from ingoing pollen foragers. Pollen is a rich protein source for human diet. Bee pollen refers to the flower pollen that collects on the legs and borders of worker bee. It can also include some nectar and bee saliva. Pollens come from many plants, so the contents of bee pollen can vary significantly. Don't confuse bee pollen with bee venom, honey, or royal jelly. Bee pollen contains compounds that aid the body in fighting off infection. Uses of bee pollen. High in vitamins A, B1, B3, and B12. An antioxidant found in bee pollen known as rutin has been shown to increase the strength of blood vessels, capillaries, and improve circulation. In addition, high levels of antioxidants help repair cellular damage caused by foreign pathogens and other free radicals. Bee pollen contains compounds that aid the body in fighting off infection. High levels of vitamins, antioxidants, and essential minerals give the body a needed boost to ward off infections and increase immune system functioning. Then bee's brood. The bee's brood is made up of the eggs, the larvae, and the pupa. Uses of bee brood. In Asia, bee brood is also lipophilized and marketed as a powder for health foods and drinks. In a few world areas, people eat the brood of honeybees. For example, in Africa, honey hunters often eat the bee brood as a planter of the colony. Bee's bread. Bee bread is actually the main source of food for the most larvae and bees. It is fed to all larvae except those that are selected to become queens. The queen larvae are fed royal jelly instead. Uses of bee bread. Compressed oil of essential amino acids, high contents of vitamins, especially vitamin K, enzymes, and flavonoids. Bee bread is made of pollen mixed with bits of honey, bee wax, and bees' digestive enzymes, and is known to be useful in treating anemia, hepatitis, insomnia, stress, failing memory, cholesterol, and digestive tract disorder. Thank you. Thank you for your interest.